Hi everyone, I will show you how to add and use multiple Twitter accounts. First of all, open your Twitter app, then tap your profile picture and tap the three dots in the top right and tap to create a new account. I have my second account and I will connect it with Google account. If you have already account, then login. Now my second account is login. Now if you want to switch your account, then tap to your profile picture. Then again tap the three lines on the top right and tap to your second account. Now you can switch your account. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.